live in my old neighborhood.
Oh, well, no, but I've lived in far more rural areas.
Maybe people fed them.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a big rock there.
Yeah. This is the San Juan Rapids. You can hardly see that bird.
Yeah.
It's a bombing range.
Yeah. These are old planes. B-52s or something.
Stop.
Okay.
You enjoyed that, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Surprised there aren't more people sitting on the bridge watching the air show.
There was somebody in one of those groups that got in trouble for something.
My legs aren't getting to work out. Yeah. Oh, that is great. Look at that. Wow.
Knee deep in the water somewhere, got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. Come on in, the water's nice. Find yourself a little slice. Grab a backpack and lunch. You never know until you try. When you lose yourself, you find the key to paradise.